Both civilizations had come to realize that they were destroying each other. The Lemurians were out there alone, without potential backup from the Draconian Empire, which was not scheduled to assimilate this part of the galaxy for a long time to come. Neither could the Atlans expect any help from the Lyrians, due to their unpopularity amongst them. So, a mediation was held, and a race called the Krell from the Andromeda Galaxy was consulted to act as a neutral third party during this process. The Lemurian Reptilians and the Atlans agreed to create a prototype of a new mankind, a genetic combination of both races, as a symbolic rite to ensure a peaceful cohabitation of planet Earth. This is what the Old Testament refers to in Genesis, where it is written, "Let us make man in our image." Note that all ancient Hebrew references to God are plural, such as Elohim, which translates to "they who descended from the sky," and Adonai, which means masters or lords. The Krell also brought the Dolphins, an extraterrestrial life form who coexist in physical and non-physical planes from their home galaxy in Andromeda to Earth, to function as observers and monitors of the co-creation of this new Earth human. The androgynous Lemurian civilization would agree to this mediation attempt only under one condition. The genetic baseline of the prototype was to be reptilian, and mammalian genetics would then be added to that, not the other way around. The story of how Eve was created from the rib of Adam is an allegory for the separation of the androgynous reptilian body into a male and female component. All humans on this planet have a reptilian DNA base. When observing the development of a fetus in the womb, this given genetic sequence can be witnessed. The human features develop only after the embryo resembles a reptilian form. During the initial stages of genetic experimentations, many different prototypes, such as Neanderthal or Cro-Magnon, had been developed only to be abandoned and eliminated. Despite ongoing genetic experiments, the creation of what we have come to call Homo sapiens sapien did not solve the conflicts between the Atlans and the Lemurians. It is also rumored that both races secretly attempted to introduce dominant genetics into the experiment to retain more control of the new race, resulting in a human being who is eternally conflicted inside, with two different mind patterns struggling for the upper hand. So, despite the mediation attempts, the conflicts continued, more battles ensued, and around 100,000 BC, a gigantic war between the Atlans and Reptilians climaxed. The Atlans used their electromagnetic pulse equipment, powered by artificially manufactured giant crystals, to break up the normal structure of the Earth's magnetic field, creating a rift to literally crumble the Earth's crust at the center of Lemuria, causing the utter destruction and then sinking of most of the continent. The remnants of Lemuria still above water today are Japan, the Philippines, the Hawaiian Islands, the South Pacific Islands, Indonesia, Taiwan, Australia, and New Zealand, as well as the coast of California west of the San Andreas Fault Line. In fact, the redwood forest, which only grows in a limited area, is a remnant of the forests of Lemuria.